Hi everyone, my name is Aviral Sharma. This is EFORT Web Application Development. I am from EFWA team. The product owner and mentor for our batch is Dr. Masood Sajadi. So this video is related to the introduction of the EFORT for all the students who intend to take this for the next term or whichever term they wish to and continue with the work which we have done. So let me give you a brief introduction what EFORT is. So EFORT stands for Empowered Forex Trader. So Empowered Forex Trader means this will provide the capability, this platform will provide the capability to all the basic traders, all the people who doesn't know anything, absolutely anything about the trading like me. So if I would want to seek expert advice related to forex trading to make some profits, so I'll be registering myself and ask them for the package and seek expert advice so that I can do some uh, valuable trading. And this platform also serves a space or the opportunity for all the developers who wants to sell their algorithm, which will ultimately benefit the basic traders. So this is what EFORT is all about, and it has many components to work on, and it becomes very interesting where you get the knowledge of trading, where you get the knowledge of software development, website, mobile application, UI, front end, back end, and all the languages which we have used, all the architectures. So the 4 month was immense learning and a lot of experience was gained throughout the process. So you can work in these teams which Dr. Sajadi made during the start of the first sprint. EFWA team, where I was working, was responsible for mobile web application, website, and mobile app development. EFVT team was responsible for virtualization, for all the dynamic charts which was used for trading. Uh, this team was responsible for the integration into the platform. Uh, so EFEC team was banking and compliance. So all the payments and uh, implementing uh, the payment transactions and the compliance with the bank, this team was responsible. That was done. The algorithm team was responsible for developing the algorithm, which is part of the EFORT web application, uh, to give the expert advice to the basic traders. So now let's look at the development tools. So before going through the development tools, I'll just give you a quick demo. So this is the mobile app. This is the look of the mobile app which we have developed. And let me give you a quick. And this is the look of the website. So everything we have developed in these 4 months and the 7 sprints, and this is the amount of coding which we have done. So let's go and now see what all tools we need in order to accomplish this. So the development tools, first for the Coding part, Visual Studio 2017 Enterprise Edition was used. ASP.NET Core was the backend framework. Uh, MVC is the front end architecture, which means model view controller. And For the back end architecture, it was a 5 layer architecture. The client, web API to get the data from the database, business layer where all the business logic was uh, given, the data access layer, all the store procedures and everything related to data was coded here. And the last layer was the entities, where all the entities was listed. The whole coding was done in C sharp. So the this was the primary programming language which was used by us. And the front end programming language, primarily HTML, JavaScript to do some improvisations on the UI, and then the Razor. And for the DB solution, MS SQL, uh, and the Bootstrap was also used for the front end framework. So before going to the learning, so I just want to mention that, before you become yourself familiar with all the tools and everything, you just have to go through that. These tools are used, how the architecture layers have been implemented. Just give you a quick. So this is the business layer. If you see that all the login manager, forex manager, and all the business logic have been coded in this. This is the data access layer. Let's see and click one. So this is the data access layer, login DB, where user forget password. This is the store procedure which we have referred. So it is getting the data, and using this store procedure, we are doing our intended action. This is the controller which controls the application website, and these are the UI front end part. These are the entities. All the entities are listed here, and this is the web API. So the API, these are all the APIs related to account, related to EFORT. This is the Forex controller. All the APIs are listed here. So you will be familiar with all these tools. And also for the source control, Bitbucket was used. So you can use these links. You can use these links for web app, and for DB, this was the link. And just to mention one thing, when you will be reviewing the code and everything, just make sure before you start the project, just be comfortable with all the branches and how they are working. Just refer the video of how the branches and how you will be working through one branch, and fork the work with the other teams, how you'll be collaborating. And because you need to be absolutely clear with branching and how this work takes place, so that there should be no confusion when you take your work forward and complete the sprints and start going forward.